If you're seeing a Facebook error while logging in, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This kind of login issue is usually caused by a temporary browser glitch, a weak internet connection, or even a small mistake with your login details. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a minute or two without doing anything complicated. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or use the refresh button in your browser. A lot of the time, a simple refresh is enough to clear a temporary loading issue that's stopping Facebook from signing you in properly. If the page was stuck or didn't fully load, refreshing can immediately give you a clean start. If refreshing doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly, or try switching to a different network if possible. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the login process and cause Facebook to display an error message. You can also try opening another website to see if your internet is working normally. If other sites are slow or not loading, the issue may be with your connection rather than Facebook itself. Next, double-check your username and password. It sounds simple, but login errors are often caused by a small typing mistake. Make sure your email address, phone number, or username is entered correctly, and confirm that your password is accurate. If you're not sure, use the Show Password option if it's available, or try resetting your password through Facebook's account recovery page. Sometimes an old saved password in your browser can also cause problems, so typing it in manually can help. Another great fix is to try Incognito Mode. Open a private browsing window in your browser and then go back to Facebook's login page. Incognito Mode starts fresh without using many stored cookies, cached files, or extensions that might be interfering with the sign-in process. If Facebook works in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is being caused by your regular browser data or an extension. In that case, you may want to clear your cache, delete cookies, or disable browser extensions one by one until the problem goes away. If none of those steps work right away, take a moment and try logging in again after a short wait. Sometimes Facebook login issues happen because of temporary server problems or account verification checks. Waiting a few minutes and trying again can solve the issue without any extra steps. So to quickly recap, start by refreshing the page with F5, then check your internet connection, verify your username and password, and finally try incognito mode. These simple steps solve many Facebook login errors and can save you a lot of frustration. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.